have you got?
Ice. Precious ice. I know a way.
Hello everyone, welcome to the week. It's very, very cold in the garden again. It's not snowing, but it is very frosty. I'm really, really cold. I've had a new haircut as well. So what happens when the barber's isn't open, but never mind. Are you cold?
No.
No?
Cold doesn't bother me anyway.
The cold doesn't bother you? Why not?
Because I'm Elsa.
I'm going to wrap up a little bit. So that's a bit better. I'm a little bit warmer now, just haven't got anything on my fingers for when we do the song later. Right, so welcome to the week. Mr. L and Elsa here today. Say hello, Elsa.
Hello.
Anything you want to say to everybody at home?
No.
No? Okay, well, this week's a very important week at school. It's National Mental Health, or Children's Mental Health Week this week. And we talk a lot about being healthy, don't we? What does being healthy mean?
Being healthy.
Being healthy means being healthy, absolutely. But what sort of things do we do to keep our bodies healthy?
Eat vitamins and fruit.
Oh, we eat fruit, and what else do we do outside? Exercise and all of that, and that keeps our bodies healthy. But it's really important to keep our minds healthy as well, and our mood. And sometimes our mental health can be affected by the things going on in the world. I mean, you can get sad, can't you, if you lose your favourite toy or you drop a sandwich on the floor or something like that. But sometimes your mood can be affected in a bad way for no real reason at all. And it's really, really important to stop yourself from getting like that by keeping your mind healthy, by doing things that make you happy. And this week at school there's going to be lots of activities on Seesaw to help you practice keeping your mind healthy and your mood healthy. And on Friday there's a special day where everyone at home and everyone at school can dress themselves to express themselves as well. And it's all about doing things that make you happy. So what sort of things keep your mind happy, Elsa? What do you do to keep yourself and your mood happy?
I don't know.
You don't know? You were telling me this morning.
I forgot the drawing.
Drawing, good. What else?
I can't remember.
When you put the music on, you do all that. What's that?
Dancing.
Dancing, and you like freezing stuff as well, don't you? With your magic powers. Freeze something. You get it and freeze me. Ah, that's better. Right, okay, thanks. So, we've got a really, 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 really good story about, it's not going to work now, about keeping yourself happy and healthy. And then we've got a song. I wonder if you could probably guess what the song will be later on. But anyway, right, so the book we're going to read is called Rabbityness, which is a lovely book by Jo Empson. And there's a really good message in this about making sure you don't get yourself really, really down. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, it's got your name in it, look. Oh, I'm going to keep sniffing because it's really cold out here. I've got a bit of a runny nose. Right, okay. Rabbit liked doing rabbity things. Rabbit liked hopping.
Hopping.
Hop. Rabbit liked jumping. Rabbit liked twirling his whiskers. Twirling whiskers. And Rabbit liked washing his ears.
Very important.
It is very important, isn't it? There's a song about that, but we haven't got time for that today. Rabbit liked burrowing. She's burrowing, you can't see it. And Rabbit liked sleeping. Rabbit also liked doing unrabbity things. He liked painting. And making music. So this is what Rabbit liked doing to express himself. And this made Rabbit very happy. It made him so happy, in fact, that all the other rabbits caught his happiness. He filled the woods with colour and music. So sometimes when you make yourself happy, you make everybody else happy. But one day, Rabbit disappeared. The other rabbits were very sad. They couldn't find him anywhere, and the woods were quiet and grey. And all that Rabbit had left was a hole, a deep, dark hole. Hello. But down the deep, dark hole, Rabbit had left them some gifts. There were lots of things to make colour and music. Hello. She always has to be involved, doesn't she? In time, all the rabbits discovered that they liked doing unrabbity things too. There they are, all painting and making music. And this made them think of Rabbit, which made them happy. In fact, this made them so happy that they filled the woods with colour and music once again. And that's the end of the story, wasn't it? Who's that? No, it wasn't two, it was another cat. Anyway, we've been distracted by cats. Okay, so a bit of an interruption. We've got an ice crown. Oh! Your ice crown keeps falling off, Elsa. Tilt your head back a little bit. A bit. Right, okay, really quickly then. So, this book, Rabbit liked doing unrabbity things. What did he like doing, Elsa?
I can't remember.
You can't remember. He liked painting. He liked doing music, and that expressed himself. And when he was gone forever. And all of his rabbity friends were really, really sad, weren't they? How sad were they, Elsa? How
Very sad.
Very sad. And instead of being really sad all the time, thinking about their friend who wasn't there, they thought about what they could do to make them think of their friend, and that made them really happy. And that's what we can do when we're at home or when we're at school as well, because all of us have got some friends who aren't there at the moment. I can't see all my friends either at the moment. You've got lots of friends who aren't coming into school.
Yeah.
Lots of you at home who aren't coming into school, aren't seeing your friends. So what we need to try and do is make sure we're thinking about what we could do to make ourselves happy, and think about... It is dripping, isn't it? We can think about how our friends make us happy, and then when we get back to be with our friends again, it can be all better again, can't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So, shall we do our song?
Yeah.
We need to do some magic again. Now, I'm too cold to do any magic, so you're going to have to do it. So I reckon...
Without my crown on.
You won't be able to do your magic with your crown. Should I very carefully take your crown off?
Yeah, but don't let it melt.
I will put it there.
Wow.
Okay, right. And what you need to do is you need to stand up. Okay, go up to the camera and get your icy hand and go. Wow, I've got my ukulele. You've got a coat on. Is the cold starting to bother you now? It is a little bit. I've got my ukulele, and I'm Anna as well. Right, this is like our 5th time of trying to do this. It's quite hard doing it in the cold, isn't it, Polly?
It's so hard.
It's quite ironic, really.
Yeah.
Never mind. Anyway, right. You going to start us off? Snow glows something or other. Right. Snow glows bright. So, was it snow glow? Snow. My brain is not working. I'm so cold.
He said snow glows.
Is it snow glows? Is it snow glows?
Snow glows white.
Snow glows white. Thank you. Right. Okay. Our director over there. Right. Here we go. Snow glows white on the mountain. Snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint. Nope. Wrong. Me. Wrong again. Snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint to be seen. The kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven knows I've tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn around and slam the door. I don't care. Let the storm rage on.
Cold never bothered me anyway.
It's funny how some distance makes everything seem small, and the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No rules for me, I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. Never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let the storm rage on.
Cold never bothered me anyway. What do you think of
Let it go, let it go. I'll rise like the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. That perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm rage on. Goes on a bit, goes on for ages, it's been a snitch.
Cold never bothered me anyway.
Yeah! Done! High five! Missed! Friendly sister! Well done. Right. Shall we freeze and then go inside because it's too cold?
Yeah.
Go on then, freeze us all.
Uh,
Bye bye!